Hello, rain dey fall for this side, my people. I don't know whether na winter we dey abi we wan enter summer, because me I no understand though. The kind rain wey dey fall na e be like say we dey for winter. Normally na winter na rain suppose to dey fall. Una no mind my my face, see my face, see my hair. I'll soon lose and weave again. Now this my hair, now you see your look dey jealous because his wife not get hair. Or if I lose only one of this one, then be all a widow hair. Up by can like this, only one like this. Then be a daffy widow. He hair. Yeah, up by can very nice. If I lose this my hair, you'll see like this, you know. So my people, I want to put small powder for my face. Small powder, just to I know now. Sometimes I just still leave my war face. Very ugly woman. I ugly, Don't say I ugly. It can't pay. It's your look. Like say why be like this? All the like Ona muye no kwa. Ona muye no kwa muju owa. Okwo bi o kan no make be we never born. That is a woman wey fair born for her. That one the man who Johnny where ona mufua. O wetin ya ti born yen where e we don yen hamu ona amu dede ona amu ye no kwa. I don't dey like to dey put earring for my ear, but because sometimes I don't dey like to put earring because me I don't like go like you know I don't know as they do me. That make man not dey put. My people, today it's my first day. It's my first time, not my first day, first time to put cap for head. Hey, this my head big go. Show na see am before now come tell me say, Madam, your head big. I don't fair talk am. I remember if you dey watch me well when I dey touch my hair, I can say, my head big go. And now wisdom of God na full am. I also no buy a wisdom women. God I beg. A wisdom we ya jimeni ne women. So this my hair now, the hair don't scatter, okay, don't scatter. I be want me I retouch and it don't reach I think 2 years, almost 2 years now where I never put relaxer for my hair. But one day I will decide to do it. Since I was born, I never like say I not retouch my hair. I dey put cream. You understand? I know say relaxer they damage hair when relaxer they damage. That time now I can't stop. I can't do it like every 3 months. But last time where I do it was 2022. I even do the video when I post. So I can't say me I just leave her without no relaxer. Me I see whether this my hair, whether it go like damage or it not agree. I too bless God. I will continue to dey thank God. The kind hair wey give me. This my hair not the cut to. Now me come dey like the weaver, they put all this. I just dey leave my natural hair. I dey leave my natural hair. I just like that time I'll just relax. I'll just go salon. Now Ibo salon I dey go. I'll just go Ibo salon. They'll just like if you see me, you'll even the thing say whether me na South America, that is America side now for come. All these American women, you'll the thing say now be. I'll just carry and go. No, now the way they'll come straight in now. They'll come straight in now. When I see the time where I show my when it's your local say I don't get driving license. When I can't show my driving license, so now see where my hair reach. All time, and that's why you dey leave van go just make view. So it go dey bounce, you know, all those things. So you know, so I just like that time. But now I just come like even me say I be one baba my hair, but my husband like my natural hair. Oh God, it too like can go say leave your natural hair. You are okay like this, especially when it be say I'll come gel am, I'll pack am, you know, I'll come pack am up. If they like am well, you go say me I leave am like that. Now because of saying I just say me I still leave relaxer small. And otherwise I'll still come back to that one again. So today now I want to put cap for my hair. I never use cap before. I don't put cap, I just leave my hair. So I can't buy one, I can't buy this face cap. My people. I can't buy this face cap. I say make I try ya. When I buy ya, when the cap come out say this one no go enter my head though because my head big. no be lie o, e no gree enter o. Mona no laugh me before you come laugh me, maybe I feel laugh myself because I know the role na take be for social media. That one me, I know they not concern me. I will first of all laugh myself. I know wetin no good, I know wetin good. When I test am, come say, why you no gree enter? Make I show una. The first time, I never beg, I no dey use cap. I just dey leave my head. Because of say, sun too dey like me nya sometimes, even though say I put my glass, you know, and e go dey hurt me for years, sun. You understand? So I say, I say, what they think? I say, I kukuma buy face cap. Now I buy this one. Mona see. Come and know see how my people. Shebi, I wanna see the one that don't laugh for. See how that can say, I never used face cap before. Why you not come cover this year? Normally it's supposed to reach here. Abi, wanna see the back. Normally it's supposed to come down. Now I can say, it be like say it's small. This one is the first time where they use my face cap. Because if you reach like this now, if you not take a technology, why go? I never used that before. Should be not like this supposed to be. So that if the sun they come like this, if the sun they come, you know go they enter my eye. Sometimes now if you not use glass, you know, but me, I be that kind of person where they will use glass all the time. Even though say I want go throw away dustbin, I go put my glass and they like and well. Now I go say maybe not like this, or maybe not well. Now I come put on like this. I say they okay. So, Jonathan, the first time where they, me like say good though, I say good though. One guy, how I look at, she be good. Hey, see me now. It's your look. See me now. See me. You want use me to compare your the day we put for instance for where one wound one I compare. You see You see me, you see my natural hair. Your woman get natural hair, see your look. If I bola we gbele we don't know who you are. You don't get natural. This is your look Salo boa. Why you wear the one where you put money for your head. Oma swear. No matter ya mu go your own, o do age no worry ya danuka o. You know they fear you, come they look me. If you see my children, and then near me where they'll match you, then he go, then near me or they'll just when you press, I be because of my face cap I come. One and not laugh me, this my face cap, they okay. So make I put small makeup. I know they do makeup like that. I'll just put my powder, my jiki, I just leave them. Sure, they okay. So in case you now see me like this, men will not laugh me say, mama, this your face cap too small. Why go? I buy it online. I buy it online, so I don't know the size. I never buy before. I say me, I just like buy them. Make I try them. Anyway, they okay. Still they okay. While the time they okay. Home they okay. Why it good. Manager. Don't worry. The day where you go store, you find one. If I go store, I will find one. My problem is here. Not the let when they go store. I'll just go online. Pew. Like this one, take them. If you not come good, I'll say manager. Now you buy it online. Alright, my people. Thank you. So I just say me I still put my earring because you know now as I put this face cap now. So I go to put earring. Normally I know they like can. I know they like earring. I know they like to they put my earring. I want me even the whole set make it close. Okay, earring. I do am earring jail. Okay, see you. See you, Luku. Let's go there. Saga continue. We are boy mo wow. The thief I not talk to you. Till say you don't free. Where free will be me. Yeah, is a buwe. That's how you talk. Yes, a when you went to order. You can't forget and say now let me want the boom. Who want come to order? Who want come to order? My yemi man not here to order. I'm not make man. Person when want see big person. I should be go they pray. Make they not call you to order. So that to now continue. Why you call they pray? Make they come to order. Useless speaking. Or more than monazen bien oji. And I'm gonna when you cooking. Una bye bye my people.